Start recording. Now we'll be doing the OSPF task. OSPF task on this network. I still haven't configured the Ethernet interfaces. Let's do that right away. You can see for serial port for gigabit 000, the default gateway is 172.16.1.17, and the /2128 refers to this. On. Okay, 00 is configured now. Now we are moving to serial port 000, setting the clock rate to 64,000. The IP for that is this one, is the network. So I need to configure this, but it is 0, the network, so it will be 1 as it is /30. So I have to take, oh, I didn't write for the /30. I think I should write it for /30 also. The /30 thing will be 252. For serial port 000, the subnet mask will be this one. Turn it on. Port 001. This is the ID. Sorry. P5. And the subnet mask remains this one as it is /32. So it is done also. Router 1 has all its interfaces configured. Moving to router 2, router 3. No, let's do router 2 first. Let's go serially. Configuration gigabit Ethernet 000. Default gateway is this one. As it is /24, so you can write on serial port 000. Turn the clock to 64,000. It is on this network, so it is 10.1, so it should be 10.2. As it is /30, it will be 252. Done. Now for this one, as it is 10.8, I think I'll give this one 10.10, and this is 10.9. This port is configured. Now for R3, I need to configure the gigabit Ethernet 000, both of the serial ports. Then we are done in configuring the interfaces. 00. The default gateway is this one. For /29, port 000. In this one, it will be 10.6. Why 10.6? Because this one I've configured 10.5. It is under the network 10.4, so 10.5 and 10.6, and the clock rate is 64,000. Now for serial port 011, it will be 10.9. As it is 10.10, this will be 10.9. So the network is 10.8. And this, sorry, 22.168, 10.9. Okay, let's first Why is this happening? 6. Oh, I didn't write the subnet mask here. It will be 252. Now I can write this .9. It will be 64,000. While we're done configuring the interfaces, now we can configure the OSPF on each router. Let's move ahead to that. This router, let's go. Router OSPF1. Once you are in the router OSPF configuration submode, configure the LAN network, which is this one, 172.16.1.16/28. So I need to write network 172.16.1.16. Now I need to write the wildcard mask for that. So /28 was 240. So I need to write the wildcard masks from, I have to, it is like this one, 0.0 and 255 minus 240, 15. It belongs to area 0. So I'll write area 0. I also need to be able to advertise the 10 this this network. So I need to write network 22.168.10.0. So the subnet mask will be the wildcard mask actually 2/30 to be 255 minus 252 is 3. Yeah, 0. Okay. Now I also need to advertise this one, network 192.168.10.5, 10.4, 0.0.0.3, area 0. So OSPF in router 1 is configured. Now I can just get out of here and go to router 2. So the router 2 is connected to this network, and this network. I just need to specify them with the wildcard mask and area 0. For this network, it is 10.10.45.0. So 10.10.45.0 /24. So 0.0.0.255. If we just how do we get the wildcard mask, you may ask. We just do this. We just subtract the main subnet mask from this, so you get like 0.0.0.255. Similar for the rest of the things. So for this one, it will be area 0. Now I need to advertise this network and this network. So network 192.2.168.10.0, 0.0.0.3. Right. Okay, now router 2 is configured. To do this for router 3, First this network, then this, then this. Slash 29 is 248, so it will be 8 0.0.0.3 here 0. Now all the routers are configured. I hope my OSPF is done. Let's check. Oh, I haven't configured the PCs. To configure the PC, first let's name the PCs. C1. Okay, this should be PC2 and this should be PC3. Okay, now let's give the IP configuration. 72.16.1.20 maybe 51240. Because of slash 28, default gateway is 17. This one. Let's check. PC1 is successfully configured. Now let's configure PC2. Maybe 10. PC2 is configured. Let's time for PC3. Now for PC3 I need to do is this one. Okay, first let's write the default gateway first. Then I can give this 35, I guess. Because the default gateway is the network is slash 29, that's why the subnet mask is 248. Now let's try pinging from one PC to another. Should fail. Successful. It should fail. It should be successful. Yeah. Now let's do this from here. So, okay, we're done. This was OSPF. Voila.